You have clicked on this video and I know one thing about you. You are in honest search of motivation and discipline. But here, I don't have any sugar-coated lies for you which speakers these days are spreading all around. Instead, I'm going to tell you in this video the unrealistic ideas which the self-help industry these days is spreading without any regrets. And what options do we have to come out of that puzzle? How many times you might have listened someone saying you can do anything, be anything and have anything in your life. These sentences like these sound sweeter to someone like me who has unrealistic goals in life with no on-paper plan or strategy of achieving those. Let me ask you a question for which I need an honest answer from you. Could anyone play a professional golf and win the Masters and perform as first chair violin at a prestigious concert? Nah, probably not. But the motivational speakers these days would continuously sing these sermons to us so that we feel good about ourselves. If our purpose is just to remain illusioned but satisfied, then that seems okay. But if we are concerned about realistic goals, then what we actually need to say to ourselves is, I can do anything except the things I can't do yet. And I could learn those and do them if I want to. Most of the successful people I know think the same way. The people like you and me who are addicted to personal development are lacking one thing: the ability to take first step. We spend most of our time studying and learning how something is done, but spend very little time, or rather no time, in actually doing that thing. We falsely assume that we need so much of preparation before doing something or we might fail, but we completely neglect that the thing which we are preparing for will only bring valuable lesson if we make our hands dirty in doing the thing first. Improvement will follow through later on. Similar is the case of personal development. We listen to the motivational speakers to get motivation. We listen to the self-help speeches to understand how self-help can alter our lives. But we do not actually do those things because of fear of failure, and we keep ourselves busy in the stuff which we call preparations. Listen to this carefully. Do not rely on these motivational speakers who just want to fool you around with shiny, fabricated, unrealistic dreams. Being a practical person, you need to know that you can achieve only those goals and dreams which are supported by your written plan, which can be augmented with the statistics, your results so far, and how long will it take for you to reach there. Anything else above that is keeping oneself in fool's paradise. I have explained in one of my videos as to how you can come out of the trap of gaining information and jump into the action process. You can watch that video by clicking here. Till then, stay hard, stay strong, stay focused with Focus 24.